Hey, it's Candace here at the Schiele Museum with Christy. And Christy, what are we doing today?
We're talking about dissections.
Yay! All right, so what do we have with our dissections today? What specimen?
So let's talk about the frog today. That is one of our most popular dissection programs.
Awesome. So we have dissection programs. Is this for a specific group of people, or is this kind of open to the public?
So this is open to anybody who wants to register for our dissection programs, but we do ask that we limit this to ages 7 and up.
Sounds good. Now, if I have a child and we want to come do this program, do each one of us get a frog, or are we working together? How does that work?
Well, dissections can be a little bit difficult and you might need multiple hands. So we do this in groups of 2. So each group of 2 will have their specimen. So 1 specimen per 2.
Awesome. So safety is obviously a big concern, especially with COVID going on, but how do I do a dissection and be safe? And am I doing this by myself?
So we will be doing this in a group setting, but we will have social distancing guidelines in place. So you will be separated from the other groups. You will also be provided with gloves to be able to do this dissection safely.
All right. And is there anybody teaching, or am I just kind of doing a free for all with this?
It would be me. We absolutely are going to be guiding you through this. We are going to talk about all of those external features, the internal features of the anatomy. We're going to label all of this stuff. We're going to talk about what its function is. And even in the frog, we sometimes compare that with some of the aspects of the human anatomy.
Ooh, and I can tell you from experience, Miss Christy is awesome at doing dissections. You'll learn a lot, and you might even want to become a biologist after this. Now, one question I know kids are going to have, is it going to be gross?
A lot of people are really nervous and really scared that they're going to see all kinds of disgusting blood and guts, and you won't see any blood during the dissection. So it's not as bad as you're making it out in your head, I promise.
Perfect. All right. So if I want to do one of these dissections, what do I need to do?
Just visit our website. You can register directly from there.
All right, that's schielemuseum.org. So go ahead, go onto the website and reserve your ticket for the frog dissection. All right, thank you, Miss Christy.
Oh, you're welcome. We hope to see you here.